Ever wonder how some businesses seem to effortlessly connect with potential customers, building relationships and closing deals while others struggle? The secret often lies in streamlined, efficient meeting scheduling. And that's what we're diving into today. HubSpot's meeting clients. Who are they? What are they achieving? And how can you potentially benefit from using HubSpot's meeting tools? We're not just going to talk about the software itself. We're going to explore the people who use it, because understanding who benefits most from a tool is just as important as understanding how it works. Think about your own experiences. Have you ever played phone tag trying to schedule a simple meeting? Or spent countless emails going back and forth trying to find a time that works for everyone? It's frustrating, inefficient, and frankly, a waste of valuable time. Time that could be spent on actually doing business, not just scheduling it. This is the pain point HubSpot Meetings aims to solve, and the people who feel this pain most acutely are HubSpot's ideal clients. So who are they? Let's break it down. First and foremost, HubSpot's meeting clients are sales professionals. This is the bread and butter. Sales reps, account executives, business development representatives. Anyone whose job revolves around connecting with prospects and closing deals. These individuals live and breathe meetings. They need to schedule demos, product walkthroughs, follow-up calls, and closing meetings. HubSpot Meetings empowers them to do this quickly and easily, directly from their CRM. Imagine a sales rep sending a prospect a link to their calendar, allowing the prospect to choose a time that works best for them, without any back and forth. That's the power HubSpot Meetings brings to the table. It removes friction from the sales process, allowing sales reps to focus on what they do best: selling. Beyond sales, HubSpot Meetings is also a game changer for marketing teams. Marketers are constantly trying to generate leads and nurture those leads into qualified opportunities. Think about downloading a white paper or signing up for a webinar. Often, the next step is to schedule a consultation or a demo. HubSpot Meetings can be seamlessly integrated into marketing workflows, allowing leads to easily book a meeting with a sales rep or a product specialist directly from a landing page or a thank you email. This streamlines the lead nurturing process and ensures that no qualified lead slips through the cracks. It allows marketing teams to effectively bridge the gap between lead generation and sales conversion. Another key group of HubSpot meeting clients are customer success teams. These teams are responsible for onboarding new customers, providing ongoing support, and ensuring customer satisfaction. They often need to schedule regular check-in meetings, training sessions, and support calls. HubSpot Meetings simplifies this process, allowing customer success managers to easily schedule meetings with customers, ensuring timely communication and proactive support. This leads to happier customers, increased retention rates, and ultimately, a more successful business. Think about consultants, freelancers, and coaches. These professionals often rely on scheduled appointments to deliver their services. HubSpot Meetings provides a professional and efficient way for them to manage their availability and book appointments with clients. It eliminates the hassle of manually managing calendars and reduces the risk of double booking or missed appointments. This is particularly valuable for solo entrepreneurs and small businesses who may not have dedicated administrative staff. HubSpot Meetings acts as their virtual assistant, handling the scheduling logistics so they can focus on delivering value to their clients. Beyond these core groups, HubSpot Meetings also caters to a broader audience. Think about recruiters scheduling interviews, project managers coordinating team meetings, or even event planners managing appointments. The versatility of the platform makes it a valuable tool for anyone who needs to schedule meetings efficiently and effectively. Now, let's talk about the benefits these clients experience. First and foremost, it's about saving time. No more endless email chains or frustrating phone tag. HubSpot Meetings automates the scheduling process, freeing up valuable time for sales reps, marketers, and customer success teams to focus on more strategic activities. Secondly, it's about increasing efficiency. By streamlining the scheduling process, HubSpot Meetings helps businesses close deals faster, nurture leads more effectively, and provide better customer support. This leads to increased productivity and improved overall business performance. Thirdly, it's about improving the customer experience. By giving prospects and customers the ability to easily book meetings at their convenience, HubSpot Meetings creates a more positive and frictionless experience. This leads to stronger relationships and increased customer satisfaction. Fourthly, it's about integration. HubSpot Meetings integrates seamlessly with the HubSpot CRM, providing a centralized platform for managing contacts, deals, and meetings. This gives businesses a holistic view of their customer interactions and allows them to track the effectiveness of their sales and marketing efforts. This tight integration is a key differentiator for HubSpot Meetings, offering a significant advantage over standalone scheduling tools. Finally, it's about professionalism. Using a professional scheduling tool like HubSpot Meetings projects an image of efficiency and organization. It shows prospects and customers that you value their time and are committed to providing a seamless experience. So, to recap, HubSpot's meeting clients are a diverse group of professionals, including sales reps, marketers, customer success teams, consultants, freelancers, and anyone who needs to schedule meetings efficiently. They are looking to save time, increase efficiency, improve the customer experience, and integrate their scheduling process with their CRM. They are looking for a professional and reliable solution that simplifies meeting management and helps them achieve their business goals. And that's precisely what HubSpot Meetings delivers. It's not just a scheduling tool. It's a productivity enhancer, a customer experience optimizer, and a sales and marketing accelerator. It empowers businesses to connect with prospects and customers more effectively, build stronger relationships, and ultimately, drive growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.